Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, hello. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. So today we are going to see a making of phone case. This is a custom make one, and today it will be of clear and silver colored with a bit of sparkle, stars, and all the good stuff. So this is a phone case that I got locally. You could get it anywhere in your mobile cover shops. And this is a resin of a 2:1 ratio by Genie Art Lovers, and it has a pot life of 45 minutes and a cure time of 3 hours. It is a casting resin, so it is not a coating resin, but I'm using a casting resin for this purpose, for this particular case, because this is the only layer that I will be using. So I've mixed a bit of that resin with a silver metallic color, and I'll be laying it out diagonally, and the rest of the place will be covered in transparent, that is plain resin, with some sparkles. So hope you like how this turns out, and if you're recreating any of these, please do tag me on Instagram, and if you're not following me there, please do take a moment to check out the link in the description box below to go hit the follow button there. I'll be posting many more of the works that I'll be doing using resin. So yeah, hope you all enjoy this video. Please continue watching. See you all in the next video.